Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Mercari how to report someone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to report someone, if you are reporting a listing, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Mercari app and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on the listing by simply tapping on sale or heading over and tapping on the listing. Then simply tap on the flag icon usually in the top right corner. Then select the reason, example counterfeit, prohibited item or offensive content, and lastly tap on submit and mark your reviews and may remove the listing or mark the seller. Now if you are reporting a user, so what you need to do is simply head over to your inbox and open the conversation with the user, or head over and open up your listing and look for an item, scroll down and then tap on the view profile option of the seller. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the three dot icon on the top right, and there you'll find an option that says report, or simply tap on or look for an icon that says flag or report. Then choose the violation reason and Mercari will investigate and they may suspend or ban the account if needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.